Okay, quick video. I've had a number of people ask me about how to find events on about VEX or V5RC and how to find information about those. So the first step of that will be for you to go to robot event or BOTE events.com, which is this. You go to competitions. Now, again, VEX V5, that's this. If you're doing IQ, you would click that. But for V5, you'd click that. And then the best thing to do is come down here to the event region and choose your proper event region. In our case, it's Florida South. And then it'll only list the ones that are in that region. Now, this is my event that's upcoming. Some things that are already here, you can see it's closed, there are more open spots. The date is Sunday, the 20th of October, 2024. Here's the address. However, for more information, you want to click that. It brings you to this page. Now, a lot of people stop here, and that's unfortunate because there's a lot more information available. But this tells you stuff like when the registration opened and closed, how many teams there are, and that sort of thing. If you scroll just a little bit, you find this informational block. You get all of this about our location and date, contact information, and then this is a big deal. We're on the left. You can find out information about, for instance, the agenda. So this tells you the doors open at 7 a.m. and that every team that wants to compete has to be there no later than 8:30 because they want to be inspected by 9. And the plan is for us to wrap things up around 5 or 5:30. But, that part has to be tentative. You'll notice I put tentative here, just in case things run long for some reason or another. The judging format is listed here, and there's a link in there how to put your notebooks in. Here's the list of teams. So browsing that left-hand side will usually answer most questions. If for some reason you can't find what you're looking for there, it is possible to contact, if you go back to the general info tab, right here, contact me here by clicking that. Some teams, some coaches don't like to put their information here. Instead, there'll be a special widget there for contacting them. And for me, if you want to call me, please don't. Text me and identify yourself. I don't answer calls that aren't in my contacts. So anyway, Sunday, October 20th, it is when this event is, and we start at 8:30 at the very latest. Teams should be here. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day.